Good morning, children. Welcome back. Today we'll be learning third lesson from your English literature. Lesson number 3, Trip to Heaven. It's an interesting and a humorous lesson, children. It's a wonderful story. I hope you all will enjoy this story. Okay? What's the name of the lesson? It is Trip to Heaven. What do you mean by the word heaven? In Hindi we call it as Jannat. Okay, that is abode of God, the angels and the spirits after death. That is the celestial power of God. हम जो जन्नत कहते हैं ना, so the few people are going for a trip. They are all going together to the heaven, and it's really a humorous lesson. There'll be a person called Chajju. Chajju grew seasonal vegetables like brinjals, pumpkins and cauliflowers in his field. So there was a person called Chajju. What did Chajju grow? See, this is the picture of heaven, children. Heaven means Jannat, what we called. So Chajju, what did Chajju do? He grew many vegetables like brinjals, cauliflowers, pumpkins in his field. So this is a pumpkin. Can you see? So he grew all these vegetables in his field. In winter season, you know that there are 4 seasons, isn't it? Amongst that winter season, you feel extremely cold in winter season. So in winters, Chajju grew a superb crop of soft snow-colored cauliflower. You know what's a cauliflower? Gobi, this one, okay? So he grew soft snow-colored cauliflower. Therefore, what did he do? He would sleep in his field every day, every night in order to guard his crop, so that other animals will not come and eat, so that the thieves will not come and steal away the things. What would Chajju do? He would sleep at night in his field so that he can guard his crops. Is that clear? So in this way, Chajju would sleep in his fields. So these are the fields. Fields मतलब crops. खेती बाड़ी बोलते हैं ना हिंदी में, crops. So in order to guard his crops, Chajju would sleep in his fields. See. Can you see Chajju sleeping in his field? So one night, Chajju heard some sound. He saw a bright yellow-colored elephant eating his cauliflower daintily. So what did Chajju see? Chajju saw a yellow-colored elephant. And what was the elephant doing? The elephant was eating his cauliflowers daintily. What do you mean by the word daintily, children? Daintily means very delicately, very smoothly. The elephant was eating his cauliflowers. He knew it was not an ordinary elephant. Have you seen an yellow colored elephant, children? No. Most of us see only grey color elephants, but this is yellow color. So this is not an ordinary elephant. So what did Chajju do? Chajju crawled under the elephant and waited. What do you mean by the word crawl? Crawl का मतलब है रेंगना. That is to move forwards on hands and knees or to drag the body. Okay, like how small children they'll crawl, isn't it? रेंगना कहते हैं ना. तो उस प्रकार छज्जू ने क्या किया? छज्जू ने crawl किया near the elephant and he was waiting there. So after eating its fill. What do you mean by the word after eating its fill? That means still his stomach was full. What did the elephant do? The elephant began to float up. Chajju jumped up and hung by its tail. तो पूरा खाना मतलब पूरा वेजिटेबल्स खाने के बाद जब एलिफेंट का पेट भर गया तो एलिफेंट फिर से क्या करने लगा? वो हवा में ऊपर उड़ने लगा. तो छज्जू ने एकदम से छलांग मारकर उसकी पूंछ को पकड़ लिया. छज्जू what he jumped and caught his hung by its tail. Whose tail? It was the see over here, the elephant eating. It was the tail of the elephant. See, can you see in this picture? Chajju is holding the elephant's tail and the elephant is flying high up in the sky. Slowly, the elephant flew towards the heaven. The elephant was moving towards the heaven. And after going there, Chhajju went along with the elephant into the heaven. Okay, then he was thinking, where is this flying to? See how Chhajju is holding the tail of the elephant and they are going towards the heaven. And after going to the heaven, what did Chhajju see? Chhajju found the heaven to be a beautiful place. He saw silver streets, golden palaces and cool streams. See how wonderful the heaven is. Can you see the golden palaces? Cool streams. Okay, and then what did he see? He also saw sweet birds. Okay, see, and colorful flowers. See how beautiful the birds are. Sweet bird songs, lovely birds, beautiful birds. See how wonderful this bird is. He saw sweet bird songs and colorful flowers. So these are the colorful flowers. So he saw, what did Chhajju see? Silver streets, golden palaces, cool streams, sweet bird songs and colorful flowers. But the best place was the kitchen. Kitchen was a good place for Chhajju. Why? Because sweet halwa made up of fresh ghee and semolina and nuts were kept covered in a golden dish. So the best place he loved was the हलवा. हलवा मालूम है ना? हाँ, हलवा का नाम सुनते ही मुंह में पानी आ गया. It's an mouth-watering dish. So he saw the sweet halwa which was made up of fresh ghee, semolina. Semolina का मतलब क्या है? रवा. हम लोग सूजी जो बोलते हैं ना, उसे. And nuts. Nuts means what? All dry fruits. They were all covered in a golden dish. Is that clear? So he found this. See, can you see? This is halwa. And he ate to his heart's content. What do you mean by the word content? Heart's content means as much as he wanted. उसको जितना चाहे उतना खा लिया. छज्जू ने हलवा देखकर मन भर, जी भर कर, पेट भर कर खा लिया. The whole day. पूरा दिन खा लिया हलवा. At night, Chhajju returned to his field hanging by the elephant's tail. Again, then after eating that, at night again the elephant started coming down. See, again Chhajju caught the elephant's tail and they came down. So all of the day after, he sat at the village square telling everyone of his experience. Soon everyone wanted to see the heaven. So most of all, what did they want? They all wanted halwa. मैं भी हलवा खाऊंगा. I too want to taste halwa. I want to eat halwa. So all this attention puffed Chhajju up. So what did Chhajju say? चलो यारो, सब मिलके जाएंगे. You can all come to the heaven with me. I will hang by the elephant's tail and you can hang by my leg, he said, sounding intelligent. After they all planned, then the night came. All men wore fresh clothes and they all waited for the elephant in the Chhajju's field. Okay, everybody sat under the tree and Chhajju told everyone that he went to the heaven last night and halwa was the best part he loved over there. And then everyone got ready. And again the next day what happened? The night came. Everyone wear fresh clothes and they were waiting for the elephant. The elephant came and Chhajju held the tail of the elephant and a long line of men followed. The elephant came and after that, see, can you see? Everybody, the elephant is there. And here Chhajju is there and all his friends. See, can you see Chhajju holding the elephant's tail? and again the next his friend is holding his legs, and one more man is holding his legs, and one more man is holding his legs. Can you see? Everybody wanted to see, and they all floated up to the heaven. Each man carried a sling bag. Sling bag का मतलब क्या है? मतलब एक bag. Okay. So why did they catch this? So that they can bring back the halwa for women and children. सब लोग ने एक एक बैग पकड़ लिया ताकि वो जो भी हलवा वहाँ पर हेवन में बनता है ना, वो हेवन सब लोग अपने घर लेकर आकर सब अपने मेंबर्स को खिला सकते हैं. So the last man was very eager. What did he ask? अरे छज्जू, he asked. See how smartly everybody is holding their legs and they all going. See the way they are all moving towards the heaven. So the last man, see this man. Can you see this man? This man was very eager. He asked, will there be enough halwa for everyone? The question traveled up the line up to Chajju. He replied, yes, there is plenty for all. This man asked again, this man, again here Chajju. He said, yes, sabko sufficient milega. Then the news traveled back to the last man. Again जो ये आदमी पीछे है ना, यहाँ तक चला गया. For a while he was quiet. Then he grumbled. Grumble का मतलब क्या है? बड़बड़ाना. But छज्जू, exactly how much will each one of us get? Again the question traveled up. Again this man asked, अरे छज्जू, एक एक आदमी को हम सबको कितना हलवा मिलेगा? कितना सारा हलवा मिलेगा? Again the question went up. यहाँ तक गया, छज्जू तक गया. तो this time छज्जू को बहुत गुस्सा आया, उसको irritate हो गया. He said he wanted to show that there was as much as they wanted, so he put out his hands wide. क्योंकि उसको कहना था ना, तो ये क्या करा छज्जू, ये जो हाथ पकड़ा हुआ था ना पूंछ को, वो छोड़कर देखो इतना सारा बोल के दोनों अपना हाथ फैलाकर बताया. इतना बताने के बाद क्या हुआ? धन बोल के he put his hands back to hold the elephant's tail, but the elephant moved far. जैसा ही छज्जू ने हाथ बढ़ाकर इतना बताया, फिर क्या हुआ? वो एलिफेंट छूट गया और छज्जू बहुत जंप करके उस पूंछ को पकड़ने की कोशिश की, लेकिन क्या हुआ? Elephant's tail, but the elephant had moved far ahead. The chain of men slowly drifted in the air before falling to the ground. थर्ड. एक के पीछे सब नीचे गिर गए. See, can you see the men falling here? See. One by one, they all started falling down. For a while, they all lay there stunned. Then slowly, they picked up themselves. They dusted their clothes and they went home. And after this, Chajju never saw the elephant again. So this is the story of Trip to Heaven. Hope you all enjoyed it, children. Isn't it lovely? Isn't it humorous? Yes.